Introduction. Lovelies. Babylon want me down. Selassie, the no rich. Ow.
What's up guys, welcome back to Be Ami and thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is just going to be like a really quick tutorial, so I'm going to show you how I achieved this sleek top bun with GOT2B, nothing else, and just a little bit of water. My hair is 100% natural and it's 4C hair type. So if you are interested to seeing how I got this look, then keep watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and obviously give me a thumbs up if you enjoy my content, and comment below if you've got anything interesting to say. Let's get into it. The first thing that I'm going to do is comb up my hair. It was already pre-combed, no heat used to it. I couldn't find a big comb, so this will do. I'm going to spray all over my hair GOT2B and comb it through. The trick is you want to let it get tacky. That's where it's really going to start sticking. So I'm just going to spray as much product as I need all over, and just with my hands just kind of smooth it out, and yeah, just wait for it to get a little bit dry. The next step that I'm going to do is just spray a bit of water on my hair, and this will just waken the product again. This is a really good tip. You want the brush to be a little bit hard, just kind of like brush that through. The reason why I use water as well is so that when I do use this brush, because it's quite stiff, it's not going to rip or pull at my hair. Because my hair is wet, it's just going to kind of bounce, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to tie it all up now. Oh, disclaimer, don't comment or don't mind my edges, okay? So let's just keep it moving. They are work in progress. So I'm going to use a little bit of the GOT2B gel just to do my baby hairs. Now I'm not the best at doing baby hairs, obviously, as you can see. My baby hairs are kind of non-existent, but we're gonna do them anyway. Obviously just work your baby hairs as you normally would, and this is how I do mine. Okay, slick those edges, girl, slick it down, come through with the baby hairs. So with my headscarf, I'm going to really tie that down, and when you get around the back you want to spread your hair tie a bit so that you can slick the back down as well. I'm just using any hairs, okay, don't mind the rattiness of this hair. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap that around my bun, and this is the closest that matches my hair, so none of it is going to be left out or anything like that. It's all going to be tied up, so it really blends in really well, and by the time I finish you'll see what I'm talking about. So I'm just going to wrap it round, make sure that I cover my natural hair properly. And yeah, this is quick and easy, and we're gonna leave this in for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes, let it dry. You want to make sure that all the product is dry properly. Let's see the finished look. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, I just did my little 1-2 makeup, you know. Can you see that? Can you see that? Okay, put some hoops, put some accessories,
Let that Nubian queen come through, honey. You're coming through with a Nubian. Is that how you say it? Oh gosh. Yes, honey.
Okay, so this is the finished look, guys. This is it. I just put like a little bit of hair accessories on my hair, and yeah, so as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, it's slicked down. Okay, so I would pair it with some hoops as well, like just to add like a little bit of definition and abstract to the look. But I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.